Today I am going to tell you about electricity sectors of United States. Electricity sectors of United States include a large area of stakeholders that provide service through electricity, generation, transmission, distribution, and marketing of industrial, commercial, public, and residential customers. It also includes many public institutions that regulate the sector. Public institutions that regulate many sectors. In 1996, there was 395 electric utilities in the United States, of which fewer than 1,000 were engaged in power generation. This leaves a large number of mostly smaller utilities engaged only in power distribution. There was also 95 power marketers of all utilities. 2020 were publicly owned, including 10 federal utilities. 932 were rural electric cooperative and 243 were investor-owned utilities. The electricity transmission network is controlled by department system operator and regional transmission organization, which are not-for-profit organizations that are obliged to provide indiscriminate success to various suppliers in order to promote competition. Net electricity generated by energy source in 2020. Natural gas 40.3%, nuclear 19.7%, coal 19.3%, wind 8.4%, hydro 7.3%, coal 2.3%, petroleum 0.4%, biomass 1.4%, geothermal 0.4%, other 0.5%. For above mentioned market statement of U.S. electricity sector are regulated by different public institutions with some functional overlap. The federal government sets general policies through the Department of Energy, environmental policy through the Environmental Protection Agencies, and Consumer Protection policy that the Federal Trade Commission. The safety of nuclear power plant is overseen by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. Economic regulation of the distribution segment is a state responsibility usually carried out through Public Utilities Commission. The interstate transmission segment is regulated by the federal government through the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission. Principle of U.S. electricity in 2019 were nuclear gas 38%, coal 23%, nuclear 20%, other renewable 11%, and hydro 7%. Over the decade 2014 to 2018, the large increase in electricity generation comes from nuclear gas. 2004 generation was 412 TWh, greater than 2004. Wind increase of 168 TWh and solar increase 18 TWh. Over the same decade, annual generation from coal decreased 393 TWh and from petroleum decreased 90 TWh. In 2008, the average electricity traffic in the USA was 9.82 km. In 2006 to 2007, electricity traffic in the USA were higher than in Australia, Canada, France, Sweden, and Finland, but lower than in Germany, Italy, Spain, and the UK. Residential traffic vary significantly between states, from 6.7 km in West Virginia to 14.1 km in Hawaii. The average residential bill in 2007 was US $100 per month. Most investment in the US electricity sector are financed by the private companies through debit and equity. However, some investments are indirectly financed by taxpayers through various subsidies, ranging over tax incentive to subsidies for research and development, feed-in traffic for renewable energy, and support to lower income households to pay their electricity bill.